Looking for the best robot window cleaner in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best robot window cleaner available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The Henkeson Smart Window Cleaning Robot offers a convenient, hands-free solution for maintaining spotless glass surfaces. With automatic operation, intelligent path planning, and built-in water spray, it efficiently removes dust and smudges from windows. The remote control makes it easy to operate, while strong suction keeps it securely attached during cleaning. It works well on both indoor and outdoor glass, and the included 10 cleaning cloths add value. Overall, it's a practical and time-saving tool for modern home cleaning. Number 4. The Divadir Intelligent Glass Cleaning Robot offers a smart and efficient solution for maintaining spotless windows. Equipped with automatic water spraying and strong magnetic suction, it securely cleans both sides of glass surfaces, even at heights. Its anti-drop safety system adds reliability during operation, while intelligent navigation ensures thorough coverage. Similar robots use advanced sensors to map surfaces and avoid obstacles, improving cleaning efficiency even in challenging conditions. Overall, it's a practical, time-saving device ideal for modern homes, combining convenience, safety, and effective cleaning performance. Number 3. This intelligent window cleaning robot offers a hassle-free way to keep glass surfaces spotless. Designed with strong suction power, it adheres securely to windows while efficiently removing dust, stains, and smudges. The remote control operation makes it convenient to guide and adjust cleaning modes as needed. Its smart navigation system ensures thorough coverage, even on large or hard-to-reach windows. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, it saves time and effort compared to manual cleaning. With a durable build and user-friendly design, this electric glass cleaner is a practical addition to any modern home. Number 2. The W1 Window Cleaning Robot offers a smart and efficient way to keep glass surfaces spotless with minimal effort. Featuring automatic water spraying and intelligent path planning, it ensures even, streak-free cleaning across windows, mirrors, and tiles. Its strong suction keeps it securely attached, while safety features like a backup battery and rope add reliability. Remote control operation makes it easy to use, and multiple cleaning modes enhance versatility. Overall, it's a practical, time-saving solution for maintaining clean windows at home or office. Number 1. The Divadir Dual Surface Glass Mist Spray Window Cleaning Robot is an efficient and modern solution for effortless window maintenance. With its automatic mist spray system, it loosens dirt and grime for a deeper, streak-free clean on both sides of the glass. The strong suction design ensures stable operation, while built-in safety features help prevent falls during use. Remote control functionality allows easy operation and mode switching. It works well on various glass surfaces, making it suitable for homes and offices. Overall, it's a reliable, time-saving device that delivers consistent cleaning performance with minimal user effort required.